To prepare a hamburger, follow these steps. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, ground beef, or pork, or a combination. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 slices of cheese, cheddar, Gouda, etc. 4 hamburger buns. 4 leaves of lettuce. 2 tomatoes, sliced. 1 large onion, sliced thin. Ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise to taste. Instructions. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground meat, salt, and pepper until well mixed. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into flat, round patties slightly larger than the diameter of the buns. Heat a grill or pan over medium heat. Place the meat patties on the hot surface and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side. Flip the patties and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Place a slice of cheese on top of each patty and allow it to melt slightly. Meanwhile, slice the buns in half and place them on the grill or pan to toast slightly. When the buns are lightly toasted, remove them from the heat and place them on a plate. On the bottom half of each bun, place a leaf of lettuce, followed by slices of tomato and onion. Place a patty with melted cheese on top of the vegetables, and then add the top half of the bun. Serve hot with ketchup, mustard, and/or mayonnaise, as desired. Enjoy your delicious homemade hamburgers.